Hey y'all, welcome to Jetty Rocks Fishing, and I'm Mike D. Well, today we're going to do another catch and cook trash fish or treasure, and today we're going to be cooking Jack Crevalles, and we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do like tuna salad sandwiches, but using Jack Crevalle, like a Jack Crevalle salad sandwich. It's very similar to tuna in a can, and once you go through the right process, you almost can't tell the difference. I mean, it actually tastes better. It tastes a lot fresher, and it's really good. I mean, this is a really good way to use your Jack Crevalles. It's awesome. Well guys, check out this clip real quick. I was out with my nephew Trey and my good buddy Ken. He's like a brother to me. I love fishing with those guys. We're out the other day and we caught some jacks and some other stuff. But check out this clip of a couple jacks that we caught. Then I'll see you guys at the cleaning table, and I'll see you. Hooked up, guys. What is that? He's fighting good, man. He's fighting real good. What is that? Oh, Jack. Oh, Jack. Jack Crevalle. And y'all, this is what you call jack bashing. Man, he is fighting. Oh, he got you wrapped up. There we go. There you go, buddy. All right. Come on, boy. Alright. Another jack. Looks like we're making... Alright guys, I'm at the cleaning table. I got my Jack Crevalles here. Show you real quick how we're going to clean one of these. We're going to go along right here next to the head. And we're going to make a incision along that backbone. You can feel it. You see where this line is right here? You come on the other side of that line. That's its lateral line. You're going to come on out like this. About like that. And then you're going to run your knife along that backbone. Just like that. And basically, we're just going to take this back strap off. Just like this. Got a chunk just about like that, and then right about here where this fin ends, you're gonna make another incision. Come on down like this. Then up here like this. You get that little piece of meat. Do the same thing on the other side. Reason you bypass this piece right here, this is really hard. It's like bone right here. And we're going to do something today that you probably have never seen done with Jack Crevalle. We're going to make like a tuna fish salad sandwich out of jacks. You're going to do jacks just like you would tuna fish in a can. I'm going to show you how to get it to that process, how to do that. It's really easy and you almost can't tell the difference. There we go. So rinse this off real quick. Alright, and now you got your chunks of jack right here, which the skin comes off real easy. Just like that. You're gonna get all this bloodline off. You got a clean fillet just like that. That's what you're looking for. If you guys are interested in purchasing the knives that I use, these Dexter Russells, I'll have the link below in the description area. You can go to my Amazon link and you can find them that way if you like. As you can tell, they keep a good sharp edge on them. About like that. These little ones do about the same thing. Just find an area you can come in and get underneath that skin. What I like to do is just run your knife around the meat and then just roll it, and you'll find the natural curve to the meat, and that knife will just get all that dark blood meat off. About like that. There you go. Alright, well, I'm gonna get these other two cleaned, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, I got my 3 Jack Crevalles here. Got them all nice and cleaned. This is what you're looking for, a nice clean piece of meat about like that. And, be very surprised guys, these things are really good. This is not really a trash fish, even though we're going to call it a trash fish or treasure. They're actually not trash, they're actually really good. Just got to take some care in them, that's all. Alright guys, I'll see y'all in the kitchen. Alright guys, I got my Jack Crevalle right here. Get all my pieces nice and clean. Hardly no dark meat at all. So what we're going to do now is I got some water boiling. And I got some salt in here, so salted water. Let it come to a boil. I'm going to put my Jack Crevalle pieces in there. Let them boil till they're done. And then we're going to take them out. And we're going to put them in another container and put them in the refrigerator overnight. Let them cool off really good. And then tomorrow we'll make the tuna fish salad or the Jack salad sandwiches. Alright guys, my water's boiling. So we'll go ahead and set the jacks in here. As you can see, they're going to turn a white color. This is very similar to the same color the tuna is in the can. See how they're changing colors? So we'll let these cook, take about 5, 6, 7 minutes, and they'll be done. Guys, well, they're looking good. Almost done. You see how they change that color? That's exactly what you want. Alright guys, this is what you end up with after they've boiled. Took it about 6 minutes. As you notice, they look just like tuna in the can, same color. And you'll notice tomorrow, or you can even do it in a couple hours, as long as they're nice and cool when you're mixing in with the mayonnaise and the other ingredients. You want them to be nice and cool, nice and cold. So I like to set them in overnight in the refrigerator and just make the sandwiches the next day. But you'll notice they flake real nice, just like the tuna in the can. It really looks really similar, and it smells really similar to tuna in the can. So we'll go ahead and cover this up, put this in the refrigerator, and we'll make some sandwiches tomorrow. Alright guys, we're in the kitchen now. We're ready. Our Jack Crevalle's been sitting overnight in the refrigerator. That's what it looks like. So we have our jacks. We have 1 yellow onion, about 4 small dill pickles cut up, some mayonnaise, mustard, salt, and pepper. There's all kinds of variations how to make tuna fish salad, so you guys can use your favorite way. Just substitute the jack for the tuna fish. So we're just going to cut these up, break it apart. See how easy, I mean, these things just flake really good. mush it all up. Alright, we're just going to take our fork, we're just going to mash it all up the best we can. Okay, you got all the jack broke up pretty good. You can do it to your consistency that you like. I like mine a little bit chunky. So we're going to add in the onions and the pickles. Turn around a little bit. My onions and my pickles a little chunky because I like it a little chunky. I like it a little bit meaty when I'm biting into it. And we're going to add a little bit of salt to taste. Just a little bit. Some black pepper. I like a little bit of black pepper, so about like that. Mix that all around. We're going to add in some mustard. I like to put in a nice little dollop. About like that. I don't have an exact measurement. I do everything to taste. I don't do exact measurements. But I know that's about what I like right there. You can always add more if you want more. And I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise at first. Put that in there. And we're going to mix this all around. Okay, we'll add a little bit more. Do another one. Do 2 more. That looks about the way I like it right there. And after you got it the way that you like it, like I said, I like mine chunky. I like mine about this consistency. Not too wet, not too dry. So we're going to go ahead and make a sandwich. What I like to do usually is put this in the refrigerator and let it sit for an hour or so. Let all these flavors combine with each other. It tastes really good. I'm going to go ahead and make a sandwich so we can do the taste test. And then I'll probably make one later. Alright guys, I got my hoagie roll here. Go ahead and just load it up. Not like that. Oh yeah. About like that, guys. Now I also like to put a romaine lettuce leaf in there also, but I didn't have romaine lettuce today and I didn't feel like going to the store, so this is what we got. Alright guys, I got my sandwich here. Nice little hoagie roll of a Jack Crevalle salad sandwich. You heard the term here. We're going to coin it right now. Jack Crevalle salad sandwiches. These things are good, man. It's stupid good. I mean, it is so good. I do not understand why more people don't eat Jacks. I don't get it. And it's so much better than tuna fish in the can. It's not even funny. That is awesome. That is amazing. I've been eating it like this for a long time. I've even used Jack Crevalle in tuna helper, and it tastes really good. It's a great substitute for tuna. If you're catching a bunch of Jacks, do this. You can freeze them. Jacks freeze really well. Thaw them out, boil them, and do this process. You can even boil them first, then put them in the freezer, thaw them out at a later date, and make this. This is really good. I mean, you guys really got to try this. I'm not kidding. It's awesome. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something a little bit about the jacks here, because they're a really good fish and they get a real bad rap. Well guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. You guys are awesome. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please go over and hit that little subscribe button and a little bell for notifications, because I upload videos all the time. I'm pretty regular, every other day for the most part. And thumbs up, I always appreciate you guys. Well y'all, I get to see you again soon here on the water. I'm going to finish my sandwich. Time out.